There. If you are watching this video, that means you have been elected to bring the Ring of Power to Mount Neguraho, aka Mount Doom. And also, if you are watching this video, you are not smart enough to go to Mount Doom without watching the video. So in this video, you will know all of the troubles of Mount Doom. You will know the location, topography, hazards, airborne hazards, gases, geology, and monitoring. First things first, locate. How do you say that word? Location. Mount Neguraho is by the Pacific Plates and Australian Plates. And my beard got in my mouth. And the coordinates are 39.157 degrees south, 175.632 degrees east. Now you have everything you need to know to find Mount Neguraho. Now that you know everything about location, you now need to learn your topography. What you need to know about the topography is that the volcano is approximately 2,250 meters tall. Now that is a very tall volcano, but what's even scarier, these lines. These are called contour intervals, and this tells you how tall the volcano is. Let's see how tall Mount Neguraho is. It's pretty dang tall. It's a straight-o volcano. Those are very dangerous because they're tall, and you have to get to the tip of Mount where is it? Tip of Mount Neguraho to throw in their Ring of Power. Ah! Next thing you'll need to know, hazards. They're very dangerous. They can come out of anywhere, so you have to be prepared to fight. Now, as you can see, the VEI of Mount Neguraho's explosions range between 2, 1, and 3. And that is mostly it, except if we go all the way down here, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That is because it hasn't exploded in a minute, but these ones have exploded side by side. What's happening? Okay. So, as you could tell from the last clip, there's been a lot of eruptions of Mount Neguraho. Let's see all these eruptions. From BC all the way down to the 1800s, to the 1900s, and then we go down to the depths, until we get to 2000. And in total, 78 eruptions. As you can see, I have created a hazard map. Here's the key. Red, gotta get out of there. Orange, uses about to die. Purple, uses barely made it. And black, uses okay. So as you can see, the most danger squirts out northeast, and then it dims down more as it goes on. But there is a little bit down southwest and west, because it goes like this. So this guy, he's okay. But this guy is not. Look at that. Ow. I know what you're thinking. Well, if there's so many hazards on the ground, how come we can't just use the eagles? You can't use the eagles, because there's airborne hazards too. As you've seen before, you have hazard zones. The orange means you're almost gonna die, red means you're gonna die, and purple means you're probably gonna die. So, since we are dealing with a pyroclastic flow volcano, it goes a long way. It goes, kills that guy. And it also can go, but this guy's okay because he's far away. So those are hazards zones on the map. Well, thanks to my wizard powers, I have created a simulation to determine where the ash and stuff is gonna flow. Let's see. It starts here, and then it goes here, and then it goes there, then there, then there, then there, then there, then it's gone. So unless you live in the ocean, you're probably good. Did somebody just pass gas? It wasn't me. It was Mount Neguraho. Watch out for the gases produced by Mount Neguraho. It produces two main gases. Carbon dioxide, which isn't that deadly, but it's like, don't breathe it. And sulfur dioxide. It will kill you. Now, if you are a total nerd and all you want to do is go to Mount Neguraho to look at the rocks, I guess you could do that too. Because I use my magical powers to make up a map showing the rocks in the nearby spots. As you can see, black is andesite, and repair. So Mount Neguraho is right in here, and it is surrounded by andesite. So I guess you could say that andesite is the main rock around Mount Neguraho. Now, you are probably wondering how I got this information. I used my wizard magic, but I can't lie. I also got the help of Volcano Discovery. That is the monitoring agency I used to find out this next fact. The earthquake history. And I could only find the earthquakes from recent. Let's see. It goes from October 13th all the way down to October 8th. Let's see this. So the magnitude, 0.9, 0.17. Some have, oh, that's a lot. That's 2. 0.2, 0.23, 0.22. Oh my god, you better watch out when you're going over to Mount Doom. Because you will die. And that is the volcano history. Eruption history. Earthquake history. Now, unless you have been slaughtered by an urukai, you have finished this video and are ready to go to Mount Doom. But if you do not want to go to Mount Doom, you are Sauron. Well, I have one final word for you. You shall not give me a bad grade.